AP Statsers, Mrs. Landon here again. Let's just talk about our week 8 updates. We have 2 weeks left till the end of the quarter. So we have 2 deadlines coming up, one this week. So if we take a look at it, the chapter 3 was just assigned this week on the 21st, 22nd, and 23rd. The mid-chapter deadline, therefore, is going to be Wednesday, the 28th by 3 p.m. All of the work from the 21st, 22nd, and 23rd must be done by 3 p.m. on the 28th if you want credit for it. We will then be this week here working on the rest of our learning for chapter 3 and our review, which will then lead us into the first week of November. On November, the scheduled due date for your Chapter 3 test is Wednesday, but the deadline for that, and it's a little quicker than normal, is Friday because that is the end of the quarter. So by Friday at 3 p.m. on November 6th, you must have all of your Chapter 3, it says here Chapter 2, it's all of your Chapter 3 work and relearning or learning completed for the second half of the chapter. Anything not done by 3 p.m. on the 6th will not earn any credit. Also, this test is the last week of the quarter. Therefore, the Chapter 3 test is not retakeable. So make sure you are feeling prepared for the first time around. That then will be your official first quarter grade. The other thing you're going to notice too, Chapter 4 does get started on Thursday and Friday. Thursday and Friday are the 20, it looks like we're looking at section 4.1. The work is scheduled for the last 2 days of the quarter. However, I will push those grades into the start of quarter 2. So section 4.1, I would encourage you to do it at the last 2 days of the quarter 1 if you have time. If not, you do have this Monday off. You could work on it then. But the section of 4.1, these 2 days of work will show up as the beginning of quarter 2 in Skyward, not at the end of quarter 1. That is really it. So let me know if you have any questions. Please know I will not be at Win Time this coming Thursday, the 29th. The 29th, I have to leave the building at about noon. So from noon on the 29th of this coming Thursday, I will not be in the building, but you're more than welcome to email me if you have questions. If you were planning on doing any testing, even though I'm sure this is probably a little early for Chapter 3, you still could do testing on the 29th, but I highly doubt anybody will because you're probably still working on the work. And I do have the Chapter 4 note packets printed out. So if you want to come to the classroom, I have Chapter 3 and Chapter 4 just over by my smartboard underneath the pencil sharpener. Feel free to walk in at any time and just grab one. I hope you're having a great end of your quarter, and I'll talk to you soon.